Hi guys, good morning. So this is Christina and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I've decided to vlog. We're going out to walk my little icy. Oh, he's actually so ready to go out. We're just waiting for my hubby who's upstairs. We're gonna go to the dog park. So he likes it there. It is quarter to 9 now in the morning. It's a perfect time to walk icy or have a quick walk. Whenever I walk icy, I always have this for the poopy bag. And then I also have some like tissue just in case I need to wipe something. And then yeah, I forgot I need to bring this. So hand sanitizer. Yeah, there we go. So yeah. So Icy, are you ready? I'm using my phone, so the video quality is not gonna be nice. But we are now walking to the park, and he just keeps stopping. Now he's like pooping. Time to pick it up. That was a good 1 hour walk. I see. See. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Hmm? Yes, you did. Now it's time to wash. So every time after we have a walk, wash him. I see, come. Good boy. And then up and away to the sink, and then wash the feet. Alright guys, I'm all done. So I just took a shower, and now I am ready to have my driving lessons. So I have my driving lessons at 11. So now it's quarter to 11. So yeah. So I didn't really put on makeup, just conceal. I would say just concealer, and then my eyebrows. That's it. And then Lucas Papo for my lips, just to moisturize it, and that's it. Because I have some breakout here, guys. Typically, if I don't have breakout, I won't put anything. But then because lately I have some breakout over here, I think it's hormonal breakout. So this, it's not a pimple, it's just itchy. So it should be gone later. But anyway, that's it. And then I have everything ready here. I'm just bringing this pouch with my key, and then I have my learner's logbook. Yep. So yon. So I still have long way to go to complete my logbook. So 75 hours, you guys, because I don't have a license when I came here. Like in the Philippines, I didn't really drive in the Philippines. So yun. So I'm just starting as a like as a new driver. Yeah, hopefully I can complete it soon and get my P so I can drive. Because at the moment I can drive, but I need someone with a full license to drive with me. This is my 10th session with the instructor. Because again, hubby doesn't drive, so I don't really have anyone to drive with me. Yeah. So, yun. Anyway, I see he's very sleepy. And then there you go, you guys. I'm throwing away a lot of like the makeup and all that because they're like all expired na. So that's why I don't buy a lot of like I don't buy makeup unless I need them like lately. So yun. Hi guys, I'm home and finally done na yung driving. Did a 90 minutes drive. So it was actually really long. So I did parking, U-turn, 3-point turn, and all that jazz. So yeah, very excited. I'm a bit more confident now driving around. Usually just drive around the city and then just a few suburbs out. So yeah, that was really fun. I love driving. Yeah, so yes, what do you want? So I got him this toy, I think last week from Daiso, and he really likes it. So cute. Nope. Yep, because I'm eating. So I'm just eating rice. These are like, this is not a lot. It's just not that much. So I just put the rice in this bowl, put it in the fridge, and I don't want to use another plate, so I'll just use the bowl. And then I cook some meat, pork, and beans. Yeah. And then I have some tomato with shrimp paste, Asian style. So yeah. And then tonight we're gonna go out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and check what I'm gonna wear. Actually, I have to wear this pala. This one. So I'm wearing this, which is like a pink dress. I'll put it here. So it's like this. So our outfit is something with sequence or sequence, whatever you call that. But yeah, so this one, it has some, it's not over the top, but unlike the one I wore on my birthday, so this one is just like baby pink, and then it has some sequence like right there. So this should be just perfect. And then I'm gonna wear it, I'm not sure, should I wear this? Yep, I think that's what I am gonna wear. That should be fine. I hope. Anyway, and also, oh, because it's getting colder lately, yeah, or autumn here in Australia, so I bought some winter socks. So during winter, I like wearing like socks like this, yeah. But these ones, these are bedroom socks, but they're so dirty. These were from last year. I got them, I don't remember. Maybe from, I think I got them from Kmart or something. Most of my VJs and, you know, houseware are from Kmart because they're affordable and they're not bad. And sometimes they're really cute. So this year, what I got are these from Cotton On. So I went to Harbour Town the other day to buy some pasalubong or gifts for my niece because I'm going to China the week after. So May 6th. I'm flying to China. So I went to Harbour Town, bought some stuff, pasalubong and all that. And I also got myself some socks because they're so cheap. So these are supposed to be $7 for any purchase, with any purchase. So and then they were on sale for $5 each. So I got like 4. One I'm gonna give to my niece. I'm not sure if she's gonna like it, so I'm just gonna give her one. But got myself 3, so I bought 4. I got myself 3. So one is this like gray pink. I think it's so cute. And then they're slip proof because they have those like tiny rubber thingy, round rubber. So this one I think is super cute. And they wear just up to, I think, here. So like here. So it's just perfect. This one is also super cute. There's just like baby pink and then polka dot in like the round blue thingy. So baby pink and blue. I think baby pink and dark blue goes really well together. And even this, like, this is so cute. And then this one is like animal print in black. Can never go wrong with black and gray. So yun. These are my winter essentials. I live for these. Like every day I would wear these at home. I don't feel like wearing slippers at home as much as possible, of course, except when it's summer. So during summer. So currently When I go down, I would wear these ones. These are like the fluffy slippers. I got these from the show bag. They're like faux fur slipper and they're too big for me actually. Anyway, I'm gonna head down, bring those down, and then just do things. Right guys, so it's time to get ready. It is now around 4:41 in the afternoon, and it takes me a while to do my hair, so I'm gonna do my face first and then do my makeup. Do my makeup first before I do my hair. So I'm thinking. So yeah, start. Done, and this is the overall look for tonight. So I am wearing these Givenchy earrings. These are from my sister, so she gave these to me as wedding gift, and then it comes with this bracelet as well. So it's rose gold, so yeah, so just perfect. I just feel like it's perfect for this outfit. And then this one, I've had this for so many years. Like years ago, I've worn this at a wedding, I believe, and then so this is the second time I think that I'm wearing this. So yeah, so this is the overall OOTN of the night. And then I'm just gonna wear this jacket because the other one, it doesn't really look good.
It's pretty easy. It's just a
Yeah, so I'm just gonna wear this instead. I think it looks better than the other one. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead now. Hubby's not coming, so it's just me. I'm gonna take Uber since it's super near lang naman. And then just quickly, I painted my nails earlier. It's a super last minute. I forgot that I didn't, have my nails done. So I just quickly painted this. This is so far my, I'm super drawn into pastel colors, so perfect. So yeah, gonna go ahead now. Bye. Home now. So it was a nice party. Actually, the restaurant was really nice. We went to the Kent Town Hotel, so it's really good. It's like a jungle bar or restaurant. That's the theme of the whole place. And then it's meat all you can on Saturdays, I think. So we had that. It was only $45, guys. It's so cheap. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. So that's it for today. I think I'm gonna close this vlog. Not much, but yeah. Anyway, that's my whole Saturday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.